Welcome back to Car Matrix, your go-to source for everything on the latest rides, future vehicles, and auto insights that matter. If you're passionate about cars that blend elegance, technology, and performance, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Volvo S90, a car that continues to redefine Scandinavian luxury and precision engineering. This latest model carries Volvo's legacy of minimalist design while integrating new tech and performance features that set it apart in the executive sedan segment. From the outside, the 2026 Volvo S90 gets subtle yet meaningful design upgrades. The signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights are sharper than ever, and the new frameless grille with an illuminated Volvo logo gives the front end a cleaner, more futuristic appeal. The rear has also been updated with sleeker taillights and a smoother bumper integration. Overall, the S90 keeps its long, elegant silhouette, reminding you it's built for style and comfort. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that feels like a luxury Scandinavian lounge. Premium Nappa leather, real wood trims, and a redesigned center console all add to the comfort and craftsmanship. Volvo has upgraded the infotainment system with a larger 14.5-inch Google-powered touchscreen, giving you seamless access to Google Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store. The Harman Kardon sound system is now standard in most trims, making every drive feel like a private concert. Under the hood, the 2026 S90 comes with a mild hybrid setup as standard. The base B6AWD variant uses a 2.0-liter turbocharged and supercharged 4-cylinder engine combined with a 48V mild hybrid system to produce 295 horsepower. It delivers smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. There's also a plug-in hybrid T8 recharge variant for those looking for electric range, boasting 455 horsepower and up to 45 miles of pure electric drive. Safety, of course, is where Volvo always leads. The 2026 S90 comes loaded with Volvo's latest Pilot Assist, lane centering, collision avoidance, and new predictive driver behavior alerts. Volvo's updated litter-ready platform is also integrated for those future autonomous driving capabilities. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Volvo S90 starts at around $59,000 for the B6AWD variant, while the T8 Recharge model starts at approximately $71,000. Optional packages like the Lounge Pack, with massaging seats and upgraded interior features, can push the price closer to $80,000. Still, for what you get in terms of safety, tech, and luxury, the S90 remains competitively priced in its segment. So, if you're in the market for a luxury sedan that values safety, style, and sustainability, the 2026 Volvo S90 is definitely one to consider. Let us know what you think about the new S90 in the comments below. Would you pick this over its German rivals? Thanks for watching Car Matrix. We'll be back with more reviews, breakdowns, and future car features. Until then, stay safe and drive smart.